Hindi ko po alam kung paano mag-uumpisa kanina. Thank you, RS, for letting me in at least into a couple of things about it. But congratulations, really congratulations to you guys. Yeah, this launch was out of this world. It was, how do you call that? It was extraordinary, it was supernatural. It was preternatural. The boldest marketing move in the history of marketing in this country. Congratulations. Okay, unang katanungan, RS, Rizwan and Sam, how to get into that? It was a theater of the absurd at its most brilliant. How to get into that idea?
Tito Boy, we just stay true to our core. In front row, we don't just do certain things. We do things in a certain way. And we call it the front row way. Of course, saan pa tayo? Hindi na tayo lalayo, kundi sa team po namin, especially po si RS. Si RS po talaga yung the brains behind the boldest marketing. Actually, Tito Boy, ang dami mga kinusulta namin nagkaling sa labas, nag-represent sa amin, pero iba-iba, pero wala talaga kaming mga nagustuhan. So parang medyo okay, pero kulang. Alam mo yung okay na, pero meron kami hinahanap. Hindi namin masabi kung ano hinahanap namin doon sa nag-represent sa amin. Yung pala yung hinahanap namin, sa kakahanap-hanap namin, na hindi ko lang pakan. Si RS,
actually, dito ba when Sam and I were talking about how to make Lux White Enhanced Glutathione even better, even stronger, sabi namin, kung ilo-launch natin yan, Sam, the campaign has to be out of this world. Sam, I told him, one of the meetings, we can go generic like all the other companies. We can say, put a silhouette and say, coming soon, 3 more days, and then we'll reveal it with a cloth and ta-da! We can go as generic as that. But, of course, that's why I admire my business partner so much. He gives in to all my whims. In other words, sa Tagalog lahat ng kanukanukahan ko. Pumayag siya. In fact, when I was conceptualizing this, Sam was, I think, having a sortie in Bagdo. Then, habang sinasabi ko, gusto ko may lamay, gusto ko may ganyan, hanggang i-bash tayo, hanggang sabihin, magsasara na, hanggang sabihin, ganyan. Sabi ko, tayo na mag-explain kay SB kung paano. Kasi, syempre, you know, he's running for mayor. And everything counts. In fact, dun sa 5 days, since we announced March 10, ang dami ng bashers! Super dami naming haters! Shoutout ko pala sa inyo dahil sa inyo nagka-free marketing pa kami. Salamat po! Imagine, nabuhay lahat ng mga haters, and then sabi ko, Sam, just give me 5 days. After that 5 days, the resurrection is unbelievable. Sabi ko, because what we did, yung Lux White na marami, milyon-milyon nagmamahal, not just here in the Philippines, but all over the world. Sabi namin, paano pa to? So sabi namin, Tito Boy, patindin pa natin, doubling natin yung milligrams. So from 700 milligrams now, it's 1,400 milligrams. So, yung dating glutathione lang, we packed it with collagen, oral moisturizer, oral sunblock, talagang lahat ng gusto natin. Of course, we know now kasi talaga that everybody wants to look good. Everybody has the right to look good and be healthy. So sabi ko, Sam, pili ka, the generic launch or as you've said, a bold move. Sabi ni Sam, RS, go. Do that bold move.
Okay, for something as risque, for something as spectacular as this one, magpakatuto din tayo. It can either work or it can flop. How much of that fear was there? And what pushed you to jump into the unknown?
Well, you know what, ever since I was young, I was doing everything against the grain. I like risky things. I like the risk. I love it. Saan po tayo nakakita ng isang kumpanya na yung produkto ilalagay sa ataol? Meron po ba? Wala. Baliw lang ang gagawa nun. At front row yun. Okay. Yun talaga yung sinasabi ko kay Sam. Sabi ko, Sam, that's the reason kung bakit tayo ginagaya. Sabi ko, expect Sam, after we launch this, lahat ng other companies, ganito na rin ang kanilang launches.
Okay, I know you started to talk about the product. You started to talk about the new ingredients. Pero, ang pinag-uusapan pa rin natin, ano ang equity nito bagong produkto? What makes it jump out of the market?
Kasi Tito Boy, Lux White Enhanced Glutathione and all the Lux products is the number one product in that category. It's not a claim, we don't just do claims, we deliver results. If you ask Google who's the number one glutathione in the world or in this country, sasagutin kayo ng Google. Lux White. If you ask ChatGPT, AI na yun, Artificial Intelligence, ang number one Lux White and the most trusted glutathione is Lux White. So, sila nga naniniwala. So, kami, sabi namin, itong number one na to, just like what we do sa mga sarili namin, sa company namin, kaya pang pagandahin, kaya pang patindihin, palakasin. Kasi there's always room for growth. Lalo na 15 years na siya. And Front Row as an innovative company, innovative founders, think of ways to make it better, to make it adaptable in the market today, especially ang dami na rin nagsulputan. Marami na kasing gumaya, Tito Boy. So, for that 15 years, ang dami nang gumaya. Aspiration na yun, Lux White eh. So, everyone copied the formulation, everyone copied even the packaging. Now, sabi na, even our ads, even the way we get ambassadors, billboards, commercials, we got almost all the big stars in the Philippines. After that, we got stars in international stars na. So, sabi namin, how can we top that? Kasi that's the challenge for founders, for CEOs, presidents. How can you top yourself every time? So, sabi namin, gawa tayo ng isang product na walang kapareho. We said it's gonna be bigger, better, and stronger, not just sa potency, but also physically. From the Lux White bottle before, it's now bigger. From the capsules, dahil dinamihan namin yung milligrams, hindi nakakasya doon yung ibang ingredients. So, lumaki na din siya. So, we got the biggest capsule, 000, na safe kasi galing FDA and approved by FDA. And doon namin pinasok lahat ng pinag-aralan ng research and development team namin na nararapat na sa panahon ngayon para nag-iisa po ang Lux White Ultima.
I think yung capsule namin, kami ang first na nagkagamit ng 000 sa supplements sa Pilipinas.
What is 000?
Yung 000 mas malaki siya. Ang kasi sa kanya is 1,400. Doon sa isang capsule.
Before kasi it was 00. That's the largest before, na kinapi na ng iba.
950 yung max na pwede magkasya.
At dahil sobrang daming milligrams, hindi na magkasya, we got the biggest. Papunta na po siya sa bato ni Darna.
So, sa kanilang salita, yung shortcut na sinasabi kanina ni Mayor is gagawa tayo ng produkto na gagayahin din yung ginagawa.
Yes. Yeah, raising the standards. We raise the standards, the quality, the potency, and literally the size. But ang pinakamaganda dyan, at ang good news dyan, same price pa rin po siya, 2,980.
Ito po yung mga yan ang sinasabi ng mga distributors namin lalakihan nyo, dodoblehin nyo, dadamihan nyo ng ingredients, ng world class, lahat yan. Baka naman tumaas pa yung price, sabi namin no. Yung same price, 2,900. tulong namin yun sa mga distributors para matalo sila magbentang Lux White Ultimate Collection.
Okay, the dazzling Rian Rose is a perfect for the Lux White Ultimate. What makes this product your ultimate choice?
Well, like they've mentioned earlier, they've improved it by so much. There are additional ingredients in it already. Oral moisturizer, oral sunblock, ceramide. It's so hard to name every single one. Yeah, collagen, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide. Of course, glutathione. It's always been the best glutathione tablet and capsule. Sorry, but I think it just really goes to show that the only thing that can kill Lux White is Lux White.
Yeah! I love that. We do, right? Our Queen Miss Universe Philippines, Michelle, it says that you just slay. You really slay.
Thank you.
Okay, but how does Lux White slay keep you, in shape?
You know, Tito Boy, because in today's life, of course, especially post-pandemic, I have had probably the most busy past 2 years in my life and in my career. And being slim and being healthy is not, it's a balance. It's a balance in food, your nutrition, and I am very picky with what goes inside my body. One of the things I love about Lux White Slim is it is all natural. And it really works. It has 2,200 milligrams, which I think is one of the best in the market. It is the best in the market. It's also the heaviest. And like I said earlier, I juggle like 5 to 6 events in a day. And L-carnitine and Garcinia kombucha. It really helps increase my metabolism. And kapag tumatanda ka na, medyo kailangan mo na mas mabilis na metabolism, which really helps me. And it just gives me so much energy throughout the day. So it's a perfect complement for my very busy lifestyle, and it keeps me slim also.
Wow! Kailangan ito hindi ako makatabi sa kanila. Sobrang sexy.
Tsaka nakaupo yan ah.
Grabe.
I think what we're trying to say here is, especially to our three bosses, hindi lamang kayo mga henyo pagdating sa marketing. I mean, I think everybody knows that. Pero you also have this kind of bravado. I mean, not a kind of bravery. It's a kind of bravery. And tonight's turnout, I mean, we're beginning to up to where we are right now. Ano yung reaction ng ating mga kaibigan?
Actually, excited ako, Tito Boy. All my life, just like ours, risk taker ako. It's always been calculated risk. Ang ganda nga nung sinabi ni Rian, the only thing that can kill Lux White is Lux White. Sino pwedeng tumalo sa'yo?
Maganda lang ang sinabi ni Rian, ano pa ang maganda?
Siyempre, kaya nga siya po ang aking newest signature face. Hindi lang ang Lux White.
Pwede ka naman ako, hindi ka kung gusto mo.
Ang ganda rin sinabi ni Rian, pero iba ang tingin, di ba?
Nawala tuloy ako. May sinasabi ko.
Hindi ka kasi Rian, wala mo
Yung sinabi ni Rian, katulad
the only thing that can kill Lux White is Lux White. And the only competition we have is not the others, but ourselves. And we are aware of that. That's why lagi namin tinuturo sa mga distributors natin na non-stop improvement, non-stop bettering of ourselves, non-stop learning, upgrading, and being the best version of yourself by taking the supplements, by being a distributor, by being part of the company. That's what our advocacy is, becoming the best version of ourselves. And nakikita yan sa products, nakikita yan sa distributors, nakikita yan sa company. And we're just so proud na naging successful yung tonight's event, and wala na, mahirapan na tumagal yan. Mahirapan ang itap to dahil nagawa na.
Ang sunod naman, gawa tayo binyag.
No, but I think we want to document this moment as by a photo.
Yes, maybe we can have a photo together. Gawa tayo ng group shot, groupie ako para kasama lahat. Can we have the house lights on? Tapos I'll have photo.
What pros and cons did you consider when you decided to perform here?
Lux White Enhanced Glutathione has been there for 15 years already. And we think that it's time for improvement. There's always room for improvement. And as we always say, we want to be the best. And that's what we did right now. I think this will be the standard of the whole industry, not just in the Philippines, but the whole world or universe.
In fact, because the beauty standard before 2000 is much different from now. There's so many ingredients now that have been discovered, just like niacinamide, diba? Collagen. Before wala yan, ceramides, oral sunblock, which wala pa po noong 2009. And of course, the trend now is everything, the beauty trend now is emerging. So sabi namin we gotta like really put everything there. So ang inaral talaga namin ano ilalagay natin. I want oral sunblock. I want moisturizer. I want ganito. I want skin lightening. I want liver cleansing. I want vitamin C. So inaral talaga namin yan. So again, to answer your question, no apprehensions. In fact, more of excitement. Because Lux White pa lang na as it is, sobrang effective na. What more if you jam-pack it with all the other power ingredients?
And if I may add pala, we didn't just launch Lux White Ultima. We launched 4 Lux White variants. The one na ini-endorse at the ambassador si Michelle Diaz, Lux White Slim. That's the glutathione, but with 1,000 milligram L-carnitine, Garcinia cambogia, cordyceps, mushrooms, lion's mane. So that's 2,200 milligram, the best in the market also. We launched Lux White Renew. That's Lux White plus added barley, moringa, berries, mangosteen, combination of all the anti-aging, antioxidants that you can find. Sabi nila, that's the best. Ito yung best. Sabi ko, why not combine all the best in one
everything there na. Diba? That's why ang battle cry natin ngayon is bigger, better, and stronger. So yun yung ginawa namin. Lahat ng 4 major Lux products natin, super saiyan namin. Ganun ang ginawa namin.
Super saiyan.
You know, I think what Dennis was also trying to say, nag-work yung original product, di ba? Yung pag-double, yung paglagay lahat ng ingredients to make sure that the products are more powerful. Did you consider the possibility of creating other brands instead of touching the original, which are all working?
Tito Boy, kasi ang nangyari talaga, Lux White is our hero product. That's why we call everything Lux White. We will call everything the Lux White Ultimate Collection. From the soap, to the lotion, to the future products. We will all build on that brand, the Lux White brand.
Because everybody guys, they like Lux White. Lux White talaga yung hinahanap eh. So I remember nung nagpunta kami isang sa Tondo na sunugan. Every time nagbibigay kami ng bigas, tsaka ng mga ayuda, pagkabigay namin, thank you. Wala po bang Lux White? So tinanong ko sila, sabi ko, susunod na balik po namin dito ni SB, ano po gusto niyo? Bigas o Lux White? Lux White! So bumalik kami, nagdala kami Lux White. So now, we're rebranding everything as Lux White. Renew, protect, slim, and ultima. Even the soap.
Thank you.
Okay, we have John Bueno of Kumbaga. Stand up, John.
All right.
This is John.
Hi. Hello, good evening. Of course, ladies, good evening too. Sir, RS, siguro sa inyo ko na lang i-address yung question. I'm asking about the packaging. Why also change that instead of just purely white, which is already working in the past. And also, sir, aside from that, I'd like to ask, is there a reason why you changed packaging? Is it because a lot of companies were copying you in the first place?
Thank you for noticing that people are copying us. Thank you. But I do believe that, you know, imitation is the highest form of flattery. So for that, thank you. But then, we had to maximize or make it bigger. Because yung capsules natin before, lumaki siya by 33%. At pag pinagsama-sama mo na hindi na po kasya dun sa lumang bottle ng Lux White. My only apprehension here is because the Lux White bottle has been very iconic. Lumabas din sa mga pelikula. Kinayan pa yun sa isang TV show sa Thailand. Tapos dito, lahat ng mga artista, pag nakita from afar yung puting bote na may black stripe and red stripe, alam Lux White yun. Yan yung iniinom nila. So, yun yung apprehension ko. But then again, sabi ko kay Sam, kung nagawa natin yun sa Lux White bottle 15 years ago, ano pa kaya now? Na super ganda na, super lakas pa ng gagawin natin. So, no apprehensions on that. And dahil malaki yung mga capsules, we had to make the bottles even bigger. And actually, it's heavier. Kaya sa mga distributors na nagpapadala abroad, mas mabigat po yung babayaran nila ano. Oo, yung packaging natin, ginawa namin, because our company colors are black, white, and red. So, we're sticking with that black, white, and red na nagamit. Mas bold yun. Of course, we have seasonal colors. We have seasonal products dito, boy. We came out with Power Up, we came out with the Bling and the Glitz perfume. That is seasonal. Yun yung mga pag naisip namin isang, tara, gawa tayo ng pabango. Tara, gawa tayo ng isa pang ganito. Pero ang talagang flagship products po natin are the Lux White Ultimate Collection.
Sir,
Yes, John.
didn't you think of suing those who copied you?
No, the ones copying us.
Yeah.
Okay lang, yaman sila. Sila, you know, pag Google naman, if you see naman Google, makikita mo naman sila yung number 1. So, okay lang.
Alright, thank you. Thank you.
We have Kate Adahar of Random Republica. Hi, Kate!
Hi, good evening. For RS, kasi na-mention mo kanina na nasasakyan nga ng business partners mo yung trip mo. Has it always been like that? And ano yung tips mo for other business owners when it comes to dealing with their partners?
Ako yung pinakamadaldal, kaya ako yung Well, actually, the thing I like with Sam kasi ever since I met him, parang alam na niya nga yung pagkakalog ko. He knows, yun nga, I do things in a certain way. I try to influence him pa nga lahat. To the point na sometimes sinasabi niya, ayos na pagkakamali na akong Becky. Sabi ko, oh, swerte mo. Diba? Yung mga gano'n, sabi ko, I remember, just a little, actually, Kate, I remember when we were starting Farm from Tito Boy, ito, to quote my words, sabi ni Sam, oh, we're gonna do, a company, anong colors gusto mo? Gusto ko lang black, white, and red. Ayaw ng mga blue, magenta, ayaw ng mga ganyan-ganyan, just black, white, and red. Tapos gusto ko, hindi mo kong generic ha, ayaw kong mag-generic yung office natin. At that time, we didn't have any. We only had a small space in Tomas Morato. Pero still, my vision that ayaw kong mag-generic, hindi tayo, ayaw kong mag-regular. I want us to stand out like a sore thumb. Ayaw kong mag-blend in. Never will we blend in. So whatever they do, huwag natin gawin yun. There. So yun, dahil doon, si Sam, naging gano'n na rin. So yung mga ginagawa niya ngayon sa yung mga plano niya sa Manila, talagang makikita mo talaga, hindi ginagawa ng usual politician. Diba? Lahat ng ginagawa niya. Ano mo nakikita na magiging ng spam. Pero yung spam na yun, matagal na namin binibigay yun. Nung pandemic, boy, namimigay kami, not just spam, pati queso de bola. We would give Toblerone, we would give Cadbury, we would give Ferrero. Yun yung mga pinamimigay namin kasi nga gusto namin ma-enjoy nila. Naglulupok na nga ng pandemic eh. Tapos bibigyan mo pa ng sardinas at ng Payless. Diba? So ano yun sila? So, bibigyan mo na ng Ferrero, ng Delimondo. Ayun. Si Katrina.
No, siguro yung doon ni Kate, tips mo daw.
Tips, lahat ng mga business owners, be fearless. Be fearless. Like, I remember, even ako, sabi ko, kabao, may lamay, ako sabi ko, sa sisa, tumatakbo, may magbabash dito for sure, gagawa ng mga stories, ito na ano. But still, that drive in me, sabi ko, no, let's push it. So, help me kausapin si Sam. help me. So nagpatulong ako with Personal Life, and Sinofel, kausapin natin sa akin. Si Sam saw that. So my tip is, be fearless, think out of the box. Huwag kang pumayag maging regular, huwag kang pumayag maging generic, and please, huwag ka na rin mangopya. Isip ka na rin ng original. Yan ang payo ko sa mga business owners. Isip ka ng original, kaya mo rin yan.
We have June Lalin and then si Gorgie Rula of PEP. Hi, June.
Hello. Yeah.
Hi, June.
I'm sorry, I'm still emotional. Pero, syempre nakakatuwa na yun, hindi tuloy ang mawawala ng Lax White. Yeah. Pero, ang tanong ko, for Rian, hindi ka nahirapang pag-isipan na tanggapin yung offer ng Lax White. Hindi ka ba nag-isip ng mga demands?
Paano nakuha ko naman ako?
Nice answer.
Well, even before becoming an endorser for Lux White, I was already using it ever since I met Sam and he introduced me to the product. I met his front row family before I met his family. And of course, I started using the products and I saw the difference. Iba kasi yung nagpapaganda ka dun sa yung health nakita, lumabas from within. Alam mo yung iba yung ganda ng mukhang healthy. So that's what I noticed, the difference that it gave me aside from, apart from other beauty products. So yeah, I would have done it for free. So I mean, I was already a user. So
I was about to follow up. Sabi mo, June, I was about to follow up. Do you have a good contract?
I read all my contracts 3, 4, 5 times. So I have.
So this is a good one. Yeah. Compensation.
I'm actually compensated way beyond what the contract said. Ito lang yung Tito Boy. Yung mga compensation ko hindi nakakasulat.
Very good.
Ito yan, Tito Boy.
Pero how about Michelle? Si Rian ba isa sa nakapag-convince sa'yo? Or na nakikita mo that she's using it already?
Actually, no. Kasi when I joined Miss Universe Philippines for the first time, front row was actually the presenter. And when I won first runner-up, then the product that was mine was Lux White Slim. So I was able to get experience already. I can really vouch for the product. And now that it's bigger and better, there's no way but up for me.
Pero ito kay Sam, kasi ako napansin ko, you're really using Lux White eh. Tapos na-experience ako with Sam nung nasa Las Vegas tayo, di ba? Before the pandemic. Nasugatan si Sam dito. Ang laki ng sugat mo, di ba? Nakita ko nagdudugo talaga siya. Pero nung makita ko siya after the pandemic, nagulat ako, Kuya Boy, no? Sabi ko, Sam, grabe, hindi ka nagka-pekla. Tapos yun nga, sabi niya, kasi he's using Lux White, di ba? Ang laking tulong, di ba?
Yes, actually nagkaroon ako ng super freak accident sa Las Vegas dito, Boy. I hit my face dito, my forehead, sa isang bottle, sa kakatawa ko, napaganon ako. Tapos biglang nakat ko kasi one of the most manipis ko. So, hindi siya pinatahi. Kasi sabi ko, nakakatakot magpatahi. So sabi ko, iinuman ko na lang siguro ng mga antibiotics. Tapos ng Lux White. And yun, dinala ko sa ospital, pinadikit ko lang. Dinalagyan ko ng glue. Ginanon ko na parang tape. Tapos, I waited it for it to heal. Tapos, you know, ang kaibahan sa product namin, we are the products of our own product. Yes. Sa Manila, tinasabi sa akin, uy, ang bata mo ba? Sabi ko, hindi na po ako bata. 42 na po ako. 42 na po ako. And nung nangyari yung malaking cut dito ko, At sa kakagamit ko kasi, I take 3 capsules every morning. Nakikita nila yan. Isa yan sa mga ritual ko. Pag-gising ko, I take Lux White talaga. And yun, alaking na yung tulong sa akin. Clear skin, younger looking skin, and nawala pati yung tekla and sugat.
Ang bongga, no? Talagang, remember nung nakita tayo.
Hindi na alala yun.
Sabi ko, grabe. Wala talagang tingnan ko mabuti, wala.
Yung John Cheesy, naalala mo, ako nakalimutan ko na nga eh. He sent me a photo nga niya, at sabi ko, come to think it, tama nga.
Bumuka po talaga. I sent artist pinadala ko yung pinuka kong ganun. Kahit ako medyo na-morbidan ba.
Tapos sabi ko, ano yan? Papatahi mo ba yun? Magkakaroon ka ng benglan dyan. Lalo na there.
Actually, magkasama tayo dun sa isang hotel, di ba? With Bernard. Grabe, tumutubo siya. Talagang kitang-kita mo yung cat niya, di ba? Kasi hindi ka pa nagpunta that time sa hospital, remember?
Ayaw na mag-hospital.
Takot siya.
Yung dugo ba, pula o puti?
Nakalaki na muti na.
Pero yan, congrats ha. Kasi ako nakita ko talaga kay Sam. Kasi nandun ako nung after na masugatan ka, grabe. Pero yun nga, nung magkita tayo after the pandemic, talagang walang bakas nung aksidente. Grabe. So congrats!
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Actually, can I interject another story? Kasi when Sam and I first, I guess, came out that we were dating, he was already using Lux White for 13 years. So ako 3 years pa lang ngayon, siya 15 years. 12 years ang lamang niya sa akin. And all of the articles that came out, mali-mali yung mga age namin. I was so offended. It was Rian Ramos, 31, and Sam Versosa, 27.
Dating Sam Versosa.
So, I'm looking forward to it. In my 40s, you're gonna all write that I'm in my 20s.
Thank you. Ito si Gordy Luna.
Hi, Gordy.
Hi, Gord.
Good evening, dear boy. Good evening. Congrats sa inyo lahat. Doon muna sa kasi halos ganun din sana ang tanong ko doon sa tanong ni June. Pero doon muna sa ating mga executives. Noong ilang days na yun nga, may mga drama ganyan, may burol, na mawawala na, mamamatay na yung Lux White. Hindi ba na-apektuhan yung sales? Paano yung mga distributors? Paano nila explain sa kanila? Alam ba nila yan, yung ganong drama o ano? Na may ganyang launch, sinabihan niyo ba sila, i-chill muna kayo, wala muna isusuko or whatever. Pero ano ang effect nito sa kanila at sa sales ng ilang days na may mga usap-usapang magsasara na raw yung front row, di ba gano'n?
Actually, nung panahon nun, actually mas lalo nung lumakas yung product namin. At that time kasi nalaman nila na hindi mawawala na. So yung talagang
so, ubusin na nila.
Yung gumagamit, nagkaroon kami naman nila last day na presyo is 888, di ba? Kaso naman, before that day, hindi na niya hinintay yung 888 bago kunyari Friday, di ba? Thursday pa lang, inubos nila lahat. Ang dami niyang kinuha. Kumas na 300 bottles. Sabi niya kahit 1,490. Okay na ito kaysa kumus. So yung sales namin at 3 days, 4 days, lalong tumaas. Ngayon yung dun sa mga...
Sa akin nakapahaba niyo pa muna ka lang lamay.
Lumakas. Doon sa mga iba naman na sinasabi na magsasara na or nag-down sa amin. Well, although sanay na kami doon, actually hindi namin sila napansin. Mas focus kami doon sa ginagawa namin ng paparating. Doon kami lagi, yun yung sinasabi namin ang tinuturo namin sa mga tao namin na front row way. Hindi mo kailangan tumingin doon sa negative kasi meron ka namang choice tumingin doon sa positive. Bakit ka titingin sa negative? Diba? So yung negative nun, sasakit yung loob mo, hindi ka makakatulog, tatanda ka, pero doon sa positive, magtutulog ka. Diba? Relax ka, eh.
Tsaka dahil sa mga bashers natin, di ba? O, di trending talaga lahat yung Lux White. Pag sinerch mo ngayon, trending ang Lux White. Popular na, pati yung front row.
And i-add ko lang kasi sa aming tatlo, ako po kasi tumatakbo sa Manila. So ang dami nating kalaban. So sinakyan din yan. Kaya nga ako yung unang tinanong ni Ares, okay lang ba Sam na ganito yung gagawin nating campaign? Alam mo, if you're confident, you're secure with your product, with your company, with your status, with what you have nothing to worry. Kahit anong sabihin nila na sasara, ang dami pang invento na investor daw. Wala ho ini-invest sa front row. Nagbibenta lang ho kami ng mga produkto. Kaya wag ho tayo magpapaniwala sa mga naninira. Naawa nga ako sa kanila kasi marami doon gusto maging kami. Kaya nga sabi ko, huwag na lang silang manira, sumama na lang sila sa amin, magkitakan na lang tayo pataas kasi hindi po kami itigil. Tuloy-tuloy kami, mas magagandahin namin to, mas marami kaming tutulungan, marami kaming babaguhin buhay at talagang mag-iingay kami at hanggang maging talagang household name na naman, lalo ang Lux White brand.
Pero sana hindi na wala naman pong intention talaga ito din sabay sa campaign mo. Kasi kahit pa paano, nakatulong din para pag-usapan.
It worked last year pa dapat to. We had to perfect the whole concept. Pati yung the ads made by the team of Michelle Marquez D. Beautiful ads. We had to wait for the right people, the right time, the right formulation, the right products. Dapat ano pa to, August pa to dapat. Pero na-move lang. Pero we promise our distributors, we will give you one hell of a awesome and spectacular product.
The next question lang. Of course, nabanggit ka na yung contract, di ba? I'm sure wala namang problema, close naman kayo sa kanila lahat. Of course, we're waiting. Ibang contract ang hinihintay namin siya. Last time we talked to Mayor Sam.
Parang hindi question yun para sa akin.
Oo, napapag-usapan na after the election daw, ay naman sabay ni Mayor Sam sa campaign at lahat para hindi sabihin parang sinasabay sa kanyang kampanya kung anong plano ninyo. Pero kung ano man ang plano ninyo, siguro i-reveal naman ninyo yan soon, di ba? Rian, do you see yourself ilang years from now na isa ka na rin din sa mga nakaupo ng mga executives? Ikaw na pag-usapan na ba ninyo na ikaw na ay pwede na rin mag-handle ng front row?
Ang concept doon, Gordy, binyag na.
Binyag na nga, oo. At saka may mga ribbon cutting pa siguro ng mga bagong products, di ba? Yes.
Well, hindi ko naman kailangan umupo sa side na yan ng stage anymore kasi honestly, all of my ideas or Sam's ideas also, I tell him naman whenever I think something or if I have any new suggestion or anything like that. And ayun, I thank you also because he also empowers me to speak my mind and he considers my thoughts also. So, ayun, parang kahit hindi naman na ako maging part ng executives, my mind is theirs also.
Nasa ngayon ko turata na sinasabi ni Gordy, I'm sure you would thoroughly read the contract.
Oh yes. I'm telling you, I read them all. So especially that one. They say there's no more important contract than that one.
And congratulations sa Rian na mataas yung pilot, rating ng pilot ng Morning Manila. Pag Saturday sa oras ngayon, 1.5%, malakas yun.
Yes.
Same as pag Sunday, ang CIA with BA, di ba Kuya Boy? Ganun yung oras, mataas yung rating. Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you. It's a stage of winners.
Kuya Boy, last question po kay Jojo Panaligan.
Hi, Jojo.
Hi, Jo.
Hi, balik na rin sa product. Siguro yung tanong ko kay RS. RS kasi, syempre, we have heard so many, the word more tonight, mas maraming ingredients. Ano ang benefit nun sa consumer? Mas mabilis ba yung epekto? At saka, can you assure the public na it's really safe kahit na nadagdagan yung mga ingredients? Kasi di ba iba natatakot na baka ma-overdose and all that?
Actually, all our products are FDA approved. It's FDA approved. And lahat ng mga ingredients, we did research already. When we say research, aside from finding out what it is through Google, YouTube, lahat, pag nakuha na namin, we take it. And I've been taking it for 6 months already. Ang ganda nung, kanina when my makeup artist saw me si Jerry Pinazo, sabi, nag-improve na yung skin texture mo. Kasi, oh, nakapay ka pan. Ay ko, bored, ayaw na ako, woke up like this na lang ako. So, it's a proven thing. And of course, ano ba yung parang sa atin? Niacinamide. Google, hindi na to Lux White, ha? You'll see all the benefits of niacinamide. Collagen, you will see all the collagen. You will see all the benefits of hyaluronic acid. So, that together, pag nagsama-sama, all the more, mas matindi na ngayon yung Lux White. Because of that.
Yes, and to add to that, the difference of Lux White to the other brands, para lang sa kaalaman po ng mga kababayan natin, ang glutathione po is a natural occurring element or sa katawan natin na as we grow old, nababawasan. That's why we continue to educate our distributors, yung mga kababayan natin na habang tumatanda ka, nadideplete yung glutathione mo. At tayo, nagtitake ng Lux White Ultima, ang difference niya is may glutathione booster po kami. Aside from may glutathione na siya, meron pang booster. So it boosts the natural production of glutathione in your body. That's the difference of Lux White. So super safe and of course proven effective po.
Comment ko lang, Mayor Sam, kasama ka namin dito pero hindi ka nangingitin, ha? Every week tayo nakabilad sa akin and yet, yes.
Yes, ano yan, testimony ng Lux White. Sabi ko kanina, we need to be the product of our own product. So, ayun.
We can continue this conversation. Meron po tayong dinner sa kabila and may raffle. So, maybe some of you can do your follow-up questions with our ambassadors and our bosses. Maraming salamat. Pero tapusin natin ito with very short messages from our two ladies from Richmond, from Sam and our RS, please. Just no contracts anymore. Very short.
Nothing about that. I just want to thank you guys for being here and for all of the support, despite everything that's been out in the public lately. So as you can see, it's not true, and Lux White is here to stay as Lux White Ultima.
Yes.
The entire Ultimate line. Yes, and also for every member of the Front Row family. I know I'm already a member, but as an endorser, I just want to say thank you for having me in the Front Row family.
Well, of course, congratulations to the whole Front Row Lux White family for making history. That's crazy. But also thank you for the trust, especially for creating those visuals. It was such an experience. It was so fun when you're a group of innovators and creatives. It's such a seamless process. So of course, thank you for bringing me along in this journey. And thank you for everyone that is here. And yeah, I'm so excited for what's ahead.
Which one?
Thank you for the success. Kasi alam ko, simula pa lang ko sa mga members ng Front Row, alam ko ang tagal nilang inintay ito. Pero sabi sa inyo, simula pa lang. So yun.
Ako naman, my heart is full of gratitude sa lahat ng tao, sa of course our signature faces, and Tito Boy, from ever since wala pang Front Row, you have been supporting me non-stop and walang unconditionally. So maraming salamat. And to all my press family, I call you my family already. So maraming salamat sa pag-intindi nyo dun sa 5 days na in-adjust namin kayo. Nag-meet kami, tinatanong totoo na bang wala sa Saturday na lang po bibigay ng statement. So everything, it's a ride. And thank you for being with us since 2009 up to now. Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Before I say anything, para po sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin, sa press, sa media, gusto ko lang sabihin, na nandito kayong lahat, isa kayo sa mga unang makakatanggap ng Lux White Ultima! And yun ang pinaka-importante.
I'm sure intrigued pa sila eh.
Oo, yun ang pinaka-importante. Dito din. Ito naman siya. 1, 2, 3. Ilabas na yan!
Sir, kasi they're intrigued Tito Boy eh. Diba? Parang Lux White, okay na eh. Okay na ako sa Lux White. Actually, yung ibang distribution yung sinasabi, Sir, okay na kami sa Lux White eh. Ipapagandahin niyo pa? Sabi namin yes, kasi ang kompetensya namin ay sarili namin. Gusto namin paangatin pa yung standard. So yan. So everybody, lahat ng press family natin, uuwi po tayo na meron tayong Lux White Ultima.
Maraming salamat for your kindness and generosity.